Okay, welcome. This is the beginner tutorial for the Hurion Sketch Drawing app. The Hurion Sketch Drawing app is an app developed by the Japanese software and hardware company. They do have the drawing tablets that is used for drawing with your system and the Android tablet. When you launch your app, you get this interface. It shows the project which you've done lately or recently. To start a new project, you click on this button. This button will take you to a page to start a new project. This will take you to your settings and your home page. So to start a new project, you can choose a custom and choose any of these. The available layers for each size is written at the right side, or you can choose a custom size which comes out. If you're okay with that, let's say we want to go with an A4 size, we click on that and press OK. So it loads the drawing space. On the drawing space at the top, you see the tool menu that contains the lasso, the picture, the shapes, the filters, and other settings. Can you choose a shape here? Let's say we choose a circle, and that's it. You can also choose the lasso tool to select an area that only our settings will be applied on. So another tool here is the brush. Clicking on the brush, we've seen different brushes. Selecting any will give you the available brushes. Then when you select your preferred brush, let's say we are going with the charcoal or pastel, let's go with the pastel. You can select each pastel style you like. This scroll bar will allow you to adjust the size of the brush, reducing it to reduce the size of your brush strokes as well. This will adjust your opacity. When you want to adjust your opacity, click on slide this down. Sorry. So you can see how it affected our opacity. The next is the eraser tool. Same thing. Clicking on the eraser tool bring you the available erasers, the hard, soft, and leaf eraser. If you select your preferred eraser, you can still adjust the size and the opacity. So let's increase the opacity. So when that is adjusted as well, these the layers. Here we have different layers. So this is the color box. You can choose your preferred, change your colors here. Let's go with a red color. Then you can draw with that. If you want to fill a space, if you want to use the fill, you use the bucket. Here's the bucket. You touch on the preferred area. And it fills it. And after you're through, here you can save or share your sketch, and you also get your sketch settings here. And that should be all. Here, this is to frame your canvas, and this is the undo button. This is the redo button. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to get more of this. I'll still be putting more tutorials forward. Thank you.